Hey there everyone, Chris Chang here from the Firearm Blog here at Silencer Co.'s media event where they have just announced the Salvo 12. It is a shotgun suppressor. This is the 12-inch version, and it's on a Benelli M4. You can put it on different shotgun platforms. And of course, I'm going to stop talking about it and shoot this so you can hear how quiet it is. So it basically sounds like someone's loudly clapping their hands in front of your ear. Notice I'm not wearing any Ear Pro, and it's all good. So, first impressions, it's a really, really great product, but I'm going to keep on shooting more of this, and so I'll report back later in the day.